Hey Camaro Family, here we are with IROC Daily. The other day I mentioned there was something really bad that happened in the back of this car. Let's go see what it was. Alright, look at that. This might be familiar to some third-gen owners. Somebody cuts right through the carpet, right through the fiberboard, and cut right through the floor pan to replace the fuel pump. And this, unfortunately, is a very common problem that people do this. Instead of lowering the rear axle and pulling the fuel tank out from the bottom, which is kind of ridiculous in my book, but you can see that they cut this thing pretty badly. So we're going to have that all welded up, but before we do that, we're going to install this Detroit Speed kit. Alright. Whoa. I didn't realize. I forgot that I ordered that. So I got some Detroit Speed equipped decals, the Pro Touring Mark Stilo book, and this complete kit. Pull these instructions out. So it comes with this ring. So it comes with a ring that you weld in. So we're gonna have to do some work to that. So you weld that in, and then you have another plate that bolts in to that plate. So we'll have that installed in the very near future. And then there's a plate. So basically this thick plate welds in and it replaces the structural loss that you get from just cutting a big hole in the back of the floor pan there. And right here is the plate that actually bolts to it. So it's already pre-drilled with the holes that actually bolts in there. So we'll get all our structural rigidity back, and this will be much more beautiful. So that's it. Have a good one. Bye. And by the way, thanks Detroit Speed.